Sally Schaffner here. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are returning, welcome back. And if this is your first time, please be certain to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video, and I can't wait to visit with you again. I do unboxings here of clothing subscription boxes, online shopping, and occasionally a clothing haul. And today I have a little bitty trunk club, and truly, this is a little bitty trunk club. I have requested some summer staples, some tees, stuff like that. I have seen a preview. Trunk club comes from Nordstroms. I have a stylist. Her name is Lashana, and we have constant contact about what I am looking for, and she sends me a preview. She sent me a preview, and I declined some of the items that she was going to send because I already own similar items, and then she'll replace those with things that she thinks I might like. And I'm really excited. My stylist has been doing an awesome job. I have received just some great pieces from Trunk Club. I'm gonna link my past Trunk Club videos so you can look at those and see some of the great pieces I have received. But let's get into this trunk. I have unwrapped all of the clothing. It all comes wrapped in plastic, and I have taken a quick look at my note from my stylist and all of the instructions. I'm going to send any of the clothes I don't want back. They send the tape, they send the mailer, everything is mailed back in the same trunk. And you know, I didn't know this. It's funny, I don't read all the instructions. The instructions say try on the clothes, tell us what you think, you offer feedback, and when you go to purchase the clothes, there are styling ideas with the outfits or the pieces that you want to keep, but it says make your selections. And then I have always either dropped my trunk off at a UPS store, or I've dropped it, left it on my front porch and then scheduled a UPS pickup. But you can also drop your trunk at Nordstrom's. So that's good to know. I didn't know that. So I just looked at I received 9 items this time, and I have one item for $22.50, and the most expensive item is only $99.95. So I don't know what the items are, but that looks really promising. So I want to start with the bottoms, and the first thing we have is this. These are kind of like a periwinkle blue sanctuary, like a cargo. They do have the drawstring on the bottom, and so we have the flaps on the back, and the pockets, lots of pockets down the front. So these look promising. I think I like them because they resemble a jean more than those slash pockets that I've been receiving with all the colored pants that I'm receiving. So I'm not sure how I feel about these, the cargo pants. They just don't look that good on me. These are some green, olive green jeans by they're pants by Wisdon. They are a skinny. These pants have some stretch in them, so that is nice. I saw where it said Absolution Ankle Skimmer. So hopefully these are going to make me look skinny. They are a really plain pant, which I appreciate. I don't need a bunch of holes or anything like that. I just need a nice clean pant. There's a small opening right there, which I liked those on the blush colored pants she sent me before. Okay, these are the pants. Look at these bright pants. These are by Madewell, and I received something like this in my Lion and Post, and these are a wide leg crop pant and a button-up. I didn't realize they were a button-up. I saw these in the preview, and it's a really small little picture. There's like coin pockets in the front, and we have some pockets in the back, and these are a really wide leg and a bright gold color. So I really like the looks of these. So I'm excited to try them on, and I can't wait to hear your opinions on this one. First one we have here is by Bobeau. And this is a navy. Ooh, this is some sleeve detail. We have some eyelet on the sleeves, a couple ruffles of eyelet. And this is kind of just a plain navy tee with the detailed sleeves in a size medium, and it looks like it might fit me. So that's promising. After my Transcend t-shirts that were a little tight, I look forward to this one. Next we have a Madewell size medium t-shirt. This is, oh no, it's not a t-shirt, this is a tank. Look how cute that is. We have a little pocket right there, just a v-neck tank. Nothing real special about it. It is a little thin, but I kind of like this. It feels really nice. Oh, cowboy, it's okay. Is a Vince Camuto, and this one looks pretty fancy. Let me see if I can show you. It's kind of a crepey polyester fabric, and it's got a keyhole back with the silver detailed button. And look at these sleeves. That's kind of a balloon sleeve, and it's got an elastic on the inside. And this is pretty fancy. I don't know if I'm looking for anything this fancy. This looks like a blouse that would be really nice to wear to work. If I wanted to wear nice clothing to work. I wear a uniform, if you're not familiar, so I don't need a lot of work clothes. I'm kind of looking for just kind of kick around summer stuff right now. This is a Chelsea 28 top. You know, I purchased my first Peplum t-shirt from my last trunk club, so I'm not surprised that she sent another one. This is a double V. This has got some polyester in it. I'm sure it's a blend. This feels really nice. I like the color of this. I don't know if it's showing up true. It's got more green in it than blue, and that cute little peplum on the bottom. And this feels like a really nice piece. This is a medium. I'm happy to be receiving mediums. So the last top that we have, this is by another Bobeau, and this has got the ruffle all the way to the sleeve. I bet it's a tank under there. Yes. Is it? Okay, we'll see when I try it on. Looks like a tank with a ruffle in the front. The ruffle is not in the back. And this is kind of just a gray, a heather gray color, which I'm not real crazy about, but I like that detail and that it makes it just kind of a special t-shirt, so we'll try that. And you saw in the box, I have a pair of shoes, and look, they happen to be Toms. And if you watched my last Stitch Fix video, you know I got a pair of bright orange Toms. These shoes were not in the preview, so I have no idea what she has sent me, but I am excited that they're Toms. And, oh wow, these are a pair of shoes, black shoes with that block heel, which I am really enjoying the shorter block heels, and that's what they look like. So I'm really excited to try these. And there's, again, the little note on it that says, if you buy a pair of Toms, a child in need receives a pair of shoes. So I like that, and I will be wearing these shoes for the entire try-on, and hopefully I can get an idea if they are as comfortable as those slip-on Toms. Was a good trunk. Wasn't a great trunk, but it was a good trunk. I am going to keep this Madewell tee, and I'm wearing the Wisdon. I think these feel like leggings. They feel like jeggings almost, but they feel really good. So I think I'm going to keep them. I will watch the video and see what they look like, but I'm going to go over the prices now. You've seen them. I'm looking at them for the first time. Camuto. It's called a crepe blouse, and this is $79. This is really pretty. Those sleeves were fun. I have no use for this. I love Vince Camuto. I really do. And when I get a job where I can wear beautiful, like office wear, I am going to own everything Vince Camuto, but this is going to be a no for me because it's not exactly summer wear what I'm looking for. This is reversible. This is a reversible ruffle trim tee. This is $49. I liked this. And you know, I was confused when I was putting it on because I told you in the beginning the ruffle went in the front and then the tag was on the back. In the try-on, the tag was in the back. So I like that it's reversible. $49, that's a maybe. Next we have the Eyelet, this ruffle detail top. This is by Bobeau, and this is $49, and I think it's too dark for me. I love navy. The sleeves are too much for me, and I love my sleeve detail, but that's an awful lot going on and a very dark shirt, so I'm going to say no to this one. Okay, what did you think about these gold or mustard colored tops, pants? These are called the Emmett wide leg crop pants. These are $92. The color is bronze leaf. These are by Madewell, $92, and I am not completely sold on either these or the ones in my line and post, which have to go back very, very soon. I was waiting to receive these to decide which ones I wanted to keep. I'm still not sure. I can't wait to hear your comments on these wide leg pants. Let me know what you think. Next we have this Peplum top, and I enjoyed this Peplum top. This is by Chelsea 28. This is $49. I don't know if I need another one. I don't have anything in this color, so that makes this one look appealing, and this one's going on the maybe pile. And then last we have these pants by Sanctuary. They're the terrain cargo, crop cargo pants by Sanctuary. These are $99. Luckily for me, I didn't like the way they fit. They just felt tight. You know what? I just have to face it. Cargo pants don't look good on me. They don't feel good when I put them on. And then we have the Toms sandals. These feel a little tight right here, and I just wasn't terribly impressed by the way they felt. And these sandals are $99.95, and these are going to be a pass. I'm going to pass on these because I'm just not really wowed by them. The tank that I'm wearing, the Madewell tank, is $22.50, so I scored on that one. And the Wisdon Absolution ankle skimmer jeans are only $68. So these two are an absolute yes, and I'm not sure about the gray colored t-shirt with the ruffle, the reversible, and the green kind of peplum top. So the wide legs, I don't know. I just don't know if I can get on board with that right now, but I sure wanted to give it a try. I am so glad that I get to try things out before I buy them with Trunk Club. I don't think that I mentioned that there is a $25 styling fee with Trunk Club, and that fee is deducted from anything that you decide to purchase in your trunk, and that fee is waived if you use your Nordstrom's credit card. So if you're going to do Trunk Club, might as well get the credit card. I don't work for the company. I just think it makes sense. And you know what? I have to apologize. Thank you so much for bearing with me. I know my lighting is horrible. I'm doing the very best that I can. We're in the process of moving and time is tight, and I really wanted to get this filmed, so I just had to make do with what I have. So thank you very much for your patience with me. Once I get moved, maybe I'm going to get some real lighting. Wouldn't that be awesome? I know it would be much easier on your eyes. Thank you all for sticking around to the very end. Please give this video a thumbs up just because you're awesome, and I could sure use a thumbs up. Elijah wants a thumbs up too. Thank you all so much. Until we meet again, God bless you.